How do we deal with this question? First of all, we need to check if we are calculating anything to do with length or anything to do with areas. Okay, so now we're told that we have a warehouse which has a floor area of 800 meters squared. This is the actual area on the ground. So we told also that the plan of the warehouse is drawn to a scale of 1:50. So there are no units indicated here. So what we simply need to do is to make sure that we understand that, right, the scale of length, that's the scale of length, by the way, is actually given as 1 centimeter is to 50 centimeters. As long as you are not given the actual the units on your scale, then it means they are in centimeters. Right now, if you look very closely, the actual ground is actually in square meters. So that means automatically we need to change our actual side to be in meters. So this will be 0.5 meters. But also we are to give our answer for the map in square centimeters, so we're not changing on anything on the centimeter on the map side, right? So this is the scale on of length. Then now we need the scale of areas. So we say scale of areas. Right, this will be given by 1 centimeter squared is to 0.5 meters squared. So this is 1 centimeter squared corresponds to 5 times 5 there, that's 25. That's 0.25 square meters. Right, so once we have this, then we are sorted. Now, how do we simply deal with questions on scale, and it's almost similar to proportions. Okay, this is more like yeah. So what I usually do, I'm going to use a proportions table. The proportions table works very well, right? So now what we are going to do is to say, right, 1 square centimeter corresponds to 0.25 square meters. So this is on the map, this is the map side, and then this is the actual side. Then now we're saying, okay, so if I have 800 square meters, I will have x this side, and obviously this has to be more. Okay, then the next thing that we do from here is simply cross multiplying. Take x, multiply that guy, take 800 and multiply this guy, you form an equation. So now we have 0.25 x, you can ignore the units now. This is equal to 800, because if you multiply 8 times 1, then now let's divide by 0.25 by 0.25. Okay, so that means our x value is equal to 800 divided by 0.25. 800 divided by 0.25. So this is equal to 3,200 square centimeters. That's 3,200 there. The unit is already there, so there's no need for us to change anything or